Hi matey, welcome to the channel, and today we're talking about Buccaneer's Curse of the Forbidden Treasure. Hi matey, this is a fun card game. I just got this from the company. Did send this to me and did compensate me to make a review. And this is a fun card game for the kids, the family, everybody. It's a really cute card game. 50 cards in the set. It's really high quality made. It's a nice card game. And let's just go over it real quick. So here's the pack that comes in, and here are the cards themselves. Just take a look at the cards themselves, and also the instructions are very simple to read right here. You can see here the graphics are very cool. You can take a look at that and read everything. It's basically you pass out 5 cards per player. Maybe 3 to 6 players can play this game. Everybody gets 5 cards, then you draw a card, then there's points, and you kind of follow the perils within the game and learn how to do it. So really kind of cool. So the idea is to start with the shuffling of the cards and just the playing of the cards, and I'll give you a quick example. First, before we do that, let's just go over the quality of the cards. So the quality of the cards themselves are super nice quality. I want you to see here, I want you to see the graphics on these cards. Graphic is very cool. Love that. Let's take a look at the back of them. Now in the back of the cards, there's all different there's points, there's different perils, Kraken attack, there's different things that you can go. Treasure chests. Now the treasure chests are your points. So the idea of the game is to collect as many points as you can. So there's different ways of collecting points. Ancient artifact, 4 points. Jewels, 3 points. You can see all the different points. So that's the idea. The idea is to collect these points and then dodge all the different perils that happen within the swashbuckling game. That's kind of the idea behind it. You got gold coins, 2 points, mermaid charm, and you have different perils. You have to read here what they say to do, and then you kind of follow that along, and it's simple. So basically, whoever's left either without cards or the last card drawn, whoever has the most points wins that game. So you can see how that works. So everybody gets 5 cards, so you pass them around. Let's see, let's just do 2 people. 3, 4, and 5, matey. Now, no peeking. You put the card down like that here, and then you kind of see who's going to be the captain, who's going to start the game. That's kind of how you play it up, and you have a lot of fun with this. The idea is to have fun, right? Make it fun. So I'll pick up my hand, so you can see here I got jewels, I got all kinds of cool cards here. I got the mermaid charm card. So what you do is you pick up a card and you hold that card. So now I got 3 more points. I'll keep that card, and the next person will pick up a card, and so on and so on. And then if you have it here, the cursed coin, you put that down, okay, and then you read what it says here, and you kind of play along with the hand as it goes along. So that's the idea behind the game. Really fun, fast action, a lot of cool ideas behind this card. The cards are matte finish. That's what you see. They're a nice matte finish. They're a nice quality. Again, there's 50 cards in the deck. Lots of information here, lots of graphics, and lots of fun. Good quality instructions. Super easy. Gives you a little bit of information. How to choose the captain. Mix the cards. Get everything. Get yourself seaworthy for the trip. Just a lot of fun stuff. You can dress up with this. You can do a lot of cool stuff here. So that's what I have for you. Fantastic quality game. Buccaneers booty mighty. You can't go wrong with the Captain Curse of the Forbidden Treasure. So pick this card up. Pick up this card game. I think it's fun. I think it's fantastic. You're gonna love it. And you know what? If you're not having fun, it's no fun at all. So make sure you have fun, guys. I love it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. And don't forget to follow for more fun reviews. I love it.